Airlines have been coming to us for years wanting global tracking, and it's been a challenge of getting various pieces of technology together that vary based on their type of airplanes, where they're flying, how they're operating their planes. FlightAware and Aireon have partnered to provide space-based global flight tracking to aircraft operators. This is the biggest improvement in flight tracking since radar was invented during World War II. For the first time ever, airlines will be able to track their airplanes even in places that aren't served by current satellite constellations. And it doesn't matter if they're flying over the ocean, if it's over the desert, if it's over the North Pole, we'll know where the plane is. Airlines will be able to get near real-time position updates once a minute anywhere in the world. We'll be incorporating it into all of our products. So customers that are currently using FlightAware products can opt to enable the space-based ADS-B data that will work with their existing airplanes without any upgrades or any technology changes. It's very exciting to be the first and the only company to be able to have a truly global solution for the entire fleet of airliners. Not only does this technology provide a reliable way to track your fleet anywhere in the world, but we're able to do it in a way that's less expensive than a lot of the solutions already on the market that don't even provide global coverage. This entire solution is possible because Aireon, Nav Canada, and Iridium have invested billions of dollars over the last several years to build the Iridium Next constellation with Aireon space-based ADS-B receivers.
Well, the Iridium constellation is a true wonder in terms of aerospace engineering. It provides a network of 66 satellites that are all interlinked, meaning each satellite talks to one another, creating a mesh network. We use the existing transponders that are on board the world's aircraft to receive that information from a space-based system, and that's what's needed to provide air traffic control. 100% global surveillance and the ability to give the controllers the information they need in real time.
This allows for aircraft operators to leverage this global surveillance for safety and efficiency of their flight operations.
Although we built the system for air traffic control purposes, we realized that collecting the data of air traffic around the globe had a significant amount of additional value. And we needed a partner that could take that capability and make it readily available through tools, applications, and an organization that would provide and add value for other purposes to the aviation industry. It was very, very clear when we looked at the industry that there was one company that kept coming up and that stood out above the rest as providing a capability other people weren't, and that was FlightAware. They understood the needs of the customer and had a very good ear to listen to the customer and make sure that their needs were met in their applications. We felt there was a very good match in terms of their technical capability, their operational capability, and the way that they dealt with the aviation community.
Not only is this an exciting announcement for flight tracking and for safety, but this is the tip of the iceberg for what we can do with this data.
In a very short period of time, just discussions back and forth between our teams, we can start identifying applications for this information and the tool sets that FlightAware has and the platform that FlightAware uses to analyze and distribute data that we hadn't even thought of before. It's doing something truly innovative and that can have a real impact on the safety and efficiency of air travel. I think it's going to be a very strong partnership going forward.